Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will walk you through creating a stunning website for your cleaning business using the Wix Studio. So by the end of this video, you will have a fully functional website to attract new customers, showcase your services, and grow your business. So of course, the first thing you need to do here is to go to their website, which is you're gonna search in the Google the Wix Studio. So here guys, you need to go to the wix.com and sign up for a free account. And if you don't have an account, you can create an account here guys. So you just need to tap on this one, and as you can see here, you'll be able to see there a start creating. But of course guys, it is important to have an account here guys. So by creating an account guys, don't worry because it's just a free. So here guys, of course guys, before you start, make sure to gather all the needs on your website, like the content. You can like write a list of your services, prepare high quality image of your theme, and then gather customers testimonials. So as you can see here guys, you'll be able to see here in selecting a template, you need to go to the create new site under right part. Here guys, you'll be able to see here my different kinds of website that I have made. So here you can discover more about this Wix Studio. So right now guys, you just need to tap on this one and you'll be able to see here different options if you want to use a template from Wix or create a blank Canva. And here guys, if you want to choose blank Canva, you're gonna create your own template starting by the zero. From header to footer, it's depend on you guys. So here guys, once you click the new site for your cleaning business guys, you'll be able to see here the search field. Here, search for templates using keywords like cleaning or services or home care. So here guys, you can preview templates and choose one that fits your brand. So popular options include layouts with bright colors, minimalistic design, and sections for CTAs and testimonials. Now guys, let's dive into customizing your template to make it uniquely yours. So here guys, I'm gonna choose a template here. So I think I'm gonna choose this one. If you decide the template guys, you just need to tap on the edit button. And here you will be directed here. So here guys, in adding a logo, you can click on the logo placeholder and upload your business logo. If you don't have a logo yet, you can use the Wix logo maker. And here guys, you can rename menu items to reflect your businesses. So the first thing we need to change here is, of course, the name of the business. I'm gonna change this one into Cleaning Service, I guess. So here guys, you can also rearrange or delete unnecessary pages here. So in the hero section, here on the home page, you can replace the main image with a photo of sparkling clean space or your team in action. So what you need to do here is, I'm gonna tap on this one. So this is a video. So as you can see here guys, you'll be able to see different options, and what you need to do here is to tap on this one and find the option change video. Here guys, I'm just gonna get a video from stack videos from this Wix. But if you're really making your own guys, you need to have your own video guys. But right now, this is just a tutorial, so I'm just gonna teach you how to change it. So here, I'm gonna search for cleaning. So I think I'm gonna use here. So of course guys, in changing your image or your video, use high quality video or images guys. Here, you can replace the main video with a video of a sparkling clean space or your team in action. So right here, I'm gonna update that one, and here is the result guys. Here guys, you can also change the headline here. So add a headline like professional cleaning services you can trust, or depending on you here. So you can also add a sub headline like serving your city with reliable and affordable cleaning solutions. So in the service overview guys, you can use images or image grids, text boxes to list key services like residential cleaning, office cleaning, and move-in, move-out cleaning. So right now guys, you can also have a detailed description. So on this part guys, you need to dedicate a section for each service with a description, benefits, and an image here. For example, that one is an example is the residential cleaning. So here guys, from kitchens to bedrooms, we will leave your home spotless and fresh. So that's an example here guys. So as you can see here guys, on this part is I'm on this part where I'm making a reviews from the customer here. So here guys, you need to put here some reviews from your customers. So you can edit here depending on you guys. You can also add here a pricing section or tell your story about your business. You can include a short bio about your business, your mission, and why customers should choose you. And of course, in the setting up the contact page, you can include key details, which is the business address, if applicable, phone number, email, and then the operating hours, and then an embedded Google map to show your service area guys. Then of course here, a contact form for inquiries with fields for name, email, and then the messages. You can also add a call now button, which is ensure the button links directly to your phone number. So here, when you click on this one guys, you'll be able to see here different kinds of elements, and right here, you'll be able to see here different kinds of section. Here, you'll be able to see here the visual sitemap. And of course guys, you can optimize your website for mobile. So for mobile preview guys, you can switch to mobile view in the Wix editor and adjust the elements for readability and ease of navigation here. So your website guys is starting to look amazing. Now let's make it search engine friendly and integrate helpful tools. So here guys, you can go to menu and pages. You can click on page and select SEO. So also guys, you can use phrases like cleaning services near me, home cleaning, and office cleaning. In the Wix form guys, use the Wix form builder to create custom inquiry form for quotes or appointments here. And in the Wix chat, you can enable live chat to connect with potential clients in real time. Here you can see here different kinds of apps in the Wix Studio. You can also connect your site to track traffic and use behavior in the Google Analytics. So you're almost done guys. You can preview it and publish and get your website live. So here guys, what you need to do here is to click the publish button to make your site live and name it. So here guys, you can create your own domain or connect your own customized domain. So once you've saved and continue, you'll be able to see there a view site button. Here you can preview it in the Wix editor to ensure everything looks perfect. So that's it guys. Once you tap on that one, your cleaning business website is live and ready to attract new customers. And here guys, if you found this video tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Goodbye guys!